Hi. We will continue with the vendor payment process configuration in SAP. In this lecture, we will configure the paying company code in SAP. Log into SAP, Ideas System, go to transaction code FBZP. Click the tab Paying Company Code. Click the button New Entries. Enter the paying company code, which is 3000 in our case. Minimum amount for incoming payment. Let's enter $10, which means now the payment program can be used for both making payment to the vendors and also to collect payment from the customers. Now that is done through direct debit. So in this course, we are covering the vendor payment process. So here we are using the payment program for making payments to the vendor. Minimum amount for outgoing payment, let's again enter $10. Now this means if the sum of the vendor invoices for which the payment is being made is $10 or less, payment program will move it to the exception list. That is, it will not make a payment for these vendor invoices. No exchange rate difference. Now, in case we select it, then where the vendor invoices are in foreign currency, that is a currency which is other than the company code currency. So what happens when, let's say, the company code currency is US dollar and the vendor invoice is in euro. So at the time of posting, there is a certain exchange rate in the system, maybe the average exchange rate, and the document is posted at that particular exchange rate. Now, at the time of payment, using the payment program, the exchange rate might be different between euro and US dollar. So the program will take the difference between the exchange rate on the date of program payment run and on the date of document posted in SAP system, and this difference is then posted in the SAP. If that happens in case we don't select this checkbox, if we have selected this checkbox that no exchange rate differences, in this case such differences will not be considered. Then let's look at click at the tab Form, create a payment advice for the vendor payments. So what happens when we make a electronic fund transfer to the vendor? One is a payment media, which is the electronic file which is created by the SAP system, which is then sent electronically, that is through secured file transfer mode to the bank. Bank makes payment to the vendor based on this file. System also create a payment advice. A payment advice is a list of vendor invoices along with their amount for which the payment has been made to the vendor through the payment media. Now, to create that payment advice along with header and other layout, we can use SAP script. So let us select a SAP script which can be used to make the payment advice. Country US, payment advice, payment medium workbench, accompanying sheet. Okay. US payment advice note. Well, fine. F110_US_AWIS. Sender details. Now here we enter the text IDs, which are then used to create the sender details or a paying company details in the payment advice. DRS. Letterhead we can identify as ADRS_header. Footer could be ADRS_footer. Signature, sender. Save. Next lecture we'll look at the other configuration steps in vendor payment process.